Selfish ghost.
Oh my god. I don't know if I should film my morning face, but I don't think I will. Good morning. It's been so long since I did a vlog. I don't know, I just decided to. Okay, excuse my morning face. Let's just like excuse it because it's like not pretty. So let me back you up. Just gonna stay under the sheets and all that. Okay, so today, I don't know, I decided to do a vlog because I'm gonna be out all day. So like this is kind of like what every Saturday is, and today I'm going bowling for a youth fundraiser. Today over the weekends is mostly church events and church stuff. So first thing I'm gonna go to is a body worship practice. It's basically like a dance practice for Easter that's coming up soon, and I'm in it. Yeah, I'm excited, and I don't know when this vlog will be posted, but I'll get it up as soon as possible. Hopefully by, because I filmed it yesterday, so then obviously, so it should be posted by Sunday. Because I'm not gonna wait till y'all Wednesdays. There's no point of posting it if it's a vlog like that. So yes, I'm gonna get ready, and then I'm gonna go take a shower and like fix this mess right here, so then you know I look not like throw up. But okay, I'll see you later. Ooh. Okay, so guys, we're gonna be heading to the first place now. We're gonna be going to the church, and then it's gonna be the first body practice. I will see you guys there. Taking over. It's for her vlog. Bye. Oh, my foot's stuck. Shawnee, do you know her thingy where she goes, Emily signing off? Emily signing. Go away, Shawnee. In all her vlogs or videos, I will take over.
Not a vlog.
I said vlog.
I said vlog.
I said
Vlog is
vlog.
online, right guys? A vlog.
You're
Is a
stupid.
video vlog.
She's stupid, guys. If you guys didn't know that.
That's my private information. Now I gotta edit that part out.
Oh. Just in case she has to go to commentary. I didn't know you were putting this in there.
That's too beautiful to be put. That's gonna be.
Oof. Oh wait, you can't see it.
I'm gonna be like Jin. He crosses his legs like this.
You can't be Jin. Jin picks. What do? You strum.
Fine. I'll attempt.
Jin is worldwide handsome. What are you? Not
I
worldwide
am
pretty.
Mrs. Worldwide Handsome.
She wishes.
I do.
Guys, you guys want to see my husband? I mean, this is my child. He's so cute. He looks just like
Why are you
William.
just filming me? Record.
I don't know. What do I record? Oh, like this is an empty church.
We're waiting for my parents to come pick me up, and they're not leaving it either. Jason picking you guys up?
I don't know, is he? Guys, this is how I feel about food.
True.
She can't sing for life.
Again.
Kidding! Ew, I did my face out. I'm shaking. Come on, come on.
Okay, you can stop now. Okay, bye-bye.
See you at bowling.
I don't want vlogs anymore. I got really lazy, guys, but feel free to follow me and subscribe to me. Okay, at bbeauty_angel. Oh, I love you. I'm sorry. Buy everything. Ew, why am I so red?
Okay, we're gonna start bowling. Ah!
Ew, my double chin.
Shut up! First member! Let's do rock, paper,
I'll go first.
No.
Go get your ball. Okay. You know how to do it? Put in names. No, you don't know how to do it. Letters. I said names. Letters. Okay. Who's going first? Ew. Me. I'm going first. So put A?
I think this way, yeah.
Oh, fighting! Wait, watch me get in the gutter. Watch me hit the gutter this whole game.
Pizza, because I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Oh, yeah, it's getting her.
Oh well, that was hard.
What the heck? It's so bright. Kyrie made it bright. My hair's a mess. Fire! What are you doing? No, he wanted to do something. That me and Rowan were married. That's a lie.
Nice.
She's our daughter. That's a lie. So like, my mom is prettier. So like, Jump Cook, like. Okay, well guess what?
Stop taking my man!
Hey guys. Oh my god.
He tastes good!
We finished. Yay! I won. I got 7.
I won the first
That's because
round.
people were helping her. She's a loser. Yeah. She's a cheater. I'm just gonna roll myself down the. Where are we going? We're about to go to. We're gonna watch a movie.
I have to ask.
Game.
I am not going to the movies. I am at home right now. So I decided not to go because I had homework to catch up on, and I was very tired and my parents are tired and stuff like that. So I decided to just come straight home. I think it's fine. I didn't want to impose on the owners of the house either. So yeah. So unless you guys want to watch me do homework for the next like 5 hours of my life, then yeah, I'm not gonna record that. Anyways, that's a wrap up for this vlog. I'm sorry, I'm not quite sure where to go with this. It's just a vlog that my vlogs are not like consecutive. They're not like every single day, so I don't expect a lot of vlogs from me. I had fun with my lovelies. It was a really fun fundraiser. Yeah, I think that's basically it for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for clicking this video. And if you like this vlog, subscribe for more content below. Comment down below what you guys want to see in my channel, what you guys want to see more of, or if you haven't, check out my channels. I mainly do DIY videos. I have not posted. I've been hiatus on YouTube for the longest time ever. I think it's been like 3 months, not like, probably, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video, which I do not know when it will be, but you know, just stay tuned, click that notification button so that you can keep up with my channel if I post. Bye! Emily signing off.
Yeah, give me that. I was just let you go.